This year, my girlfriend and I live in a house with room for gardening, and that's exactly what we're doing. With the gardening season come new challenges, new problems to solve, and one of those problems is hoses. Typical garden hoses could be quite annoying because they crimp, they pinch, they snag on stuff when you're dragging them across the yard. And while these are all first world problems, you know, when you're trying to get in there and water real quick before you get on with your day, it could just be frustrating. These hoses in front of me, the 0G hoses made by Teknor Apex, claim to eradicate those problems. Supposedly they don't crimp or pinch as easily. They're kink free. They're in a sheath that helps them slide across the ground. We have a 50 footer right here. We have a 70 footer for the front yard. And I also acquired a 25 footer that I'm going to use for my Sprinter van, because I think a shorter length might be really handy on the road. In this video, we're going to give you our first impression. We're going to tell you what we like about these hoses, if there's anything that we don't like. So we're going to give you an honest review. And without further ado, let's hop right to it. Ooh. Look at how flexible this thing is. Look at this thing. You can't do that with a regular hose.
Was it kink free?
I don't know until we fill it with water and see how it flows. So check this out, look. They can literally fold this hose up like this.
And it doesn't leave kink marks?
Not that I can see, no. All right, let's hook it up. Goodbye, hose. Hello, hose. Look, nice aluminum coupling. That's like the gold standard of the hose world. Shall we give it a go?
Yeah.
Moment of truth, here we go. And nothing. Ooh. Look at this. So come look at this hose. As you can see, the hose just inflated very well. And when it pressurized, it kind of took all the kinks and the crimps out. You can see that water flow is fantastic. Now the hose is full of water. It's pressurized. And I can bend it, but it instantly releases and there's no sign that it was ever bent, which makes me think that these are truly kink free. Another thing I want to point out is, check it out. It slides much easier on the ground than a traditional hose, and because it crimps and uncrimps when it's sliding, it never crimps. See? Boom. Monsieur. So look, as it fills, it just inflates the entire hose, and a lot of the crimps get worked out. And you can see that it's much easier to maneuver because the entire hose is flexible. Please forgive me if I'm being a broken record, but I just want to show you that a traditional hose, when it crimps, it becomes very problematic because the material itself gets damaged, and this is a problem area for the rest of the hose life. So as you go to water with a typical hose, water flow will be inhibited at this spot and any other place that it got smushed. Whereas these new hoses seem to not have any of those issues. So that is a huge benefit, in my opinion. My first impression of these hoses is very positive. Kiley, Marie, and I, for the next couple days, are going to play around with them. We're going to do our typical gardening duties, and then we'll give you our final verdict after that. So what do you like about these hoses?
Well, I think you said the 50-foot one cost around just a little less than $30. And we bought our other one for the backyard on sale for $20-something, and it sucks. So these ones, for the price, I think it's a great deal. These ones are awesome hoses.
It's a much better hose.
Yeah, it's a much better hose. It doesn't kink. The other one it was kind of a hassle. It kind of took its form and just stayed in that form. And it kinked, and I was always having to go back and unkink it. And this one I haven't had to do that yet with. So far so good. I like it.
There you have it, folks. We're keeping them.
Yeah.